Right there is my EMMC. So that's what I'm going to end up pulling out of there. And there it is. Alright. We'll get that all flashed. This guy finally arrived, so I was able to put the original firmware back on here. Now we'll put it back in there. Hopefully get it all booted back up and get to printing. Well guys, it's doing its thing now. Finally, after the second time I had to install it because I installed the Neptune 4 version instead of the Pro. I didn't see that there was another link. Okay, we're going. We're eventually going to be printing something. What is this? Is it finally going? What? Finally going. And I got the Ethernet hooked up. The interface is nice, being able to just... I'm using Orca Slicer right now. I'm just sending the print straight to Orca Slicer, and then Orca Slicer takes me to the device page. It's working great. I definitely got to get some kind of camera set up for this guy. But it's looking good so far. Little loud, little loud.